beautiful. But you can see, but yeah, it's nice. You look at that, how beautiful it is. Jet ski. Oh, I know, it's a boat. They were having fun. Guys, you can see those Swiss. What? Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Yeah, there's no, what's that, what they call it? There is no sand, so it's beautiful to they were having picnic over here. Ah, it's really fun. Look at that. Ow. Really fun, guys, here on Canyon Lake. I didn't know that you can swim at all, so I'm dressed like this. Oh, it's really beautiful here. So next time we're going to have picnic over here, my family and I. Yeah. Still really having fun here. Yeah, it's, oops, you have to be careful. Yeah, that is how we are going down on the, it's that, the river, because there are rocks, you don't know. They were having fun. You can sail over here. It's the beauty of Arizona. those were, I don't know what kind of birds are those. They were having fun as well. Oh, look at that. They were, yeah. But we're blessed. We're lucky.
Blacks and
Ah, yeah,
park up
exactly.
still one of mom's for the day and
Yeah. Nice. Look at those. Yeah. We're having fun. Hey, we can buy leaf weights because beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's all I can say over here on Canyon Lake.